are starting his haircut. So first he has a lengthy hair. So first we are going to do it at back and then at front. So I'll show you. So I'm going to use the scissor and the trimmer. So both the scissor and the trimmer we are going to use for cutting his hair. First I'll do it with the comb. So see, I have made the partition of his hair, like how he combs every day. So based on that I can understand the length, how much it needs to be cut. So now I have combed. He just gives, I usually give him the crop. So based on that I have combed his hair and then I am actually cutting. So that's where I'm taking the measurement. So see here, actually round instance you can go with a straight haircut only. That's up to you. This is basic for our daily seer, so it looks good. I actually gave a cut. I have the previous haircut measurement also, so based on that. But back should be a little deeper, not little deeper in sense it should be little down, not as high as in the side, because that's when it gives the look for your hair. So also you would be thinking, why is the haircut done in the bathroom? The reason is, usually in the salon it's okay, but when it comes for our house, we are not supposed to give the haircut inside our house. It's considered as not auspicious inside any room. That's the reason when you keep beauty parlors in your house, it is not traditionally, I am telling, there is a scientific reason also for that. But right now I am not sharing the scientific reason. Traditionally it has not been allowed inside the house to cut there. That even when you cut nail, you need to go to restroom and get it done, get the work done. So it's not good, it is not good, because see, our house we are cleaning every day, still we are using I meant to say, we sit, eat, we do all the work. But when it comes to restroom, yeah, we know that it is meant for one particular purpose. So that's the reason the haircut has not been done, haircut is not been done inside the house, it's been done in the restroom. Usually the hair shouldn't fall, haircut hair shouldn't fall on a floor. So I have done that. See here, I'm clearly showing it. It is very not very deep, it's just in an oval shape. So that's when for boys it should be oval shape, and for girls it can be round. So this is basic. In this you can make modifications as much as possible you can make, or else what you can do is, you can make the hair longer, you can make the hair longer and make shocked at back. I'll be showing when I'm trimming, I'll tell that also. So 2-3 verification modifications you can do here. So this is the basic for, because I want to give summer, this is summer, right? I don't want hair to be long. And also when the kids go to school or even online classes, it has not been allowed. Okay, when they have summer vacation, it is not good for summer. So maybe when there is time occasion, maybe when my son grows older, I can try to give him my thing. So right now I'm giving this haircut because he sweat a lot, and I don't want him to have any fever or cold at this point of time. So just watch it. finished giving the haircut, I'll try to use the trimmer now. See, trimmer, you can see my trimmer actually somehow I am not sure whether I don't know to use or it's not working properly. But actually, it didn't work as how I expected. It is actually. I'm planning to buy the new one because the part where I'm using the trimmer, there the hair should be little less only. Because the trimmer wasn't working, I had to use scissor as well. See here, also see, using scissor only I have given the shape to his hair at back, because boys at back needs to get hair. If you don't give this shape, then that won't look good to them. So here, this is like I love this shape for my son. You can make it a little bit narrow also, but this is actually perfect, so I'm trying with that. So it looks good for my son. See, again I have tried using the trimmer. I'm trying, see, with the scissor only experts can give the haircuts, so the freshers like us cannot give. I think you need little experience, little, you need to be a little experienced. Your hands should get used with the scissor. So just cutting is okay, but see here, I'm just trimming it. For trimming, if you use scissor, you need to be experienced. But trimmer, excellent trimmer does the excellent job. So if you get a good trimmer, then there it would be nice. Somehow I managed to lightly, I managed to see here, I have given a nice shape to him in the side also. So when because see, I'm trying to give a haircut, but be very careful with the kids. And my son, he doesn't want to sit long for haircut, even it can be outside or inside. He is not so happy in haircut. So as much as possible, I'm like trying to get it done faster. But when it comes for the shape, it is difficult. If you're going to give a normal boy cut, it is very easy, but this is like hairstyle, haircut with style, so that is little difficult. So I am trying to make it faster. He's getting irritated, and also he wants it to be early, so that's the See, I'm using blade to just remove the small hair which is in the side. Actually, barbers and in the parlor they do use this kind of blades, and I am actually used with this for my son. That's the reason I'm using it. And this is the new one, but actually the people who are new to this, please don't try it. You can use the trimmer. I am used with this, and my trimmer doesn't give the perfection in this cases, so that's the reason I'm using a very new blade, and gently I'm doing it. He is a little skeptical about that, so he's just watching in the camera whether it is right or not, and then when it actually it is giving a perfection. So that's the reason I'm using blade, and wherever is necessary for shape, when the hair is long, I'm using scissor. See, I'll show you the perfection later. this is my friend's son. So she actually liked my son's hairstyle because she always wants it to be bouncy on the top, and at the back it should be very less. That's when she loves it. So she has contacted whenever she visits the barber shop. She used to tell that I am not able to make them understand, they're not getting me what I've tried to tell them. So this time we tried his haircut also at home, and she liked it very much. It was not that perfect as the barber or the beauty parlors or beauticians does, but okay, we can give the look for the boy, and it was really looking good on him. We all liked it. After 2 days or some days, I'll shake his photo and share in my video, so you all can try this.
Whoa, 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 on fire. Oh, 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 fire. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Fire. Oh, whoa, 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 yeah, yeah. Ooh. Whoa, 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 yeah, yeah.
It's nice. So um, actually I have started my video in the evening. That's the reason I have started preparing my coffee, and then I have kept the coffee to cool down, and meantime my son was studying, and I have done my puja, and now actually I have planned to for the haircut for my son. So that's the reason this video. Actually, during lockdown it's very difficult for us to go out and get the haircut done. So I am not expert in haircut, but yeah, this is a simple trick which I can show you. Actually, kids can get easy haircut, bouncy, I meant to say, which will have much hair here on the top and less at the back and the side. So it's very easy, just a round haircut you are going to do. So the tip is, like, at back you are supposed to give a little more. So I have done my son's haircut as well as my friend's son's haircut, so that's what I'm trying to show you today. So do try the haircut in similar way. I'm not sure whether you will be able to understand, but the simple tip is nothing. A tip in this haircut is very one which very well, it is everyone can know by that, is just at back you don't make it round, just give a little of oval shape. When it comes to guys, actually you should give oval shape, and when it comes to girl, it's okay, I'm not sure because I have not tried for girls, but usually for girls, round is also okay. But when it comes to boy, it should be a little bit oval. That's all. That is a try technique. And here, friend. So once when you do it, you might have problem, but gradually this is like the last whole year I had tried for my son. And initial stage I was not having the idea for that, but this haircut looks for most of the kids actually who are thin or who are chubby or who are normal, this really looks very good on this, on every kids actually. So I'm just showing you, do watch it and tell me how it has actually come out. Actually it has come out well. That's what I, when I was cutting I felt like okay it was not good, but yeah, I knew that even if you by mistake if you cut somewhere little deep also, it's okay, in 2 days it will be fine. So why I'm trying to do the tell that is, it's we should protect ourselves, correct? So COVID time it is better to stay at home. So but we cannot leave our kids with the hair because this is very it's summer, peak summer, and they sweat a lot, and it's not good for them, so they'll have fever because of that only. So I have tried that. Do try it and tell me your experience. Do try, but be little careful. So I feel that when you are not so confident, try to get it done in a little earlier stage. I meant to say, if you want very short haircut, don't try for the short at once. After 2 to 3 times go for the shorter ones, because at once if you go for the shorter ones, maybe you might go wrong. But I didn't go wrong initially. One first to second time I took ideas. I never browsed anything from internet. I just brought my I've tried on my son only, and I'm telling you it was good. So please try it. Bye.